In front of me is XIAOMI 17T, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts, and before doing anything, make sure that after clicking on Change Settings, this option Show When Locked is on. Without it, your contacts won't be accessible from locked screen, so it's always good to double check it. When you're done and sure, go back and choose Add Contact to tap on the one you wanna set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If any of your numbers is invalid, it won't be accessible from locked screen. So to manage any of your contacts on the list, use those three dots next to a chosen one and decide if you want to move it up, move it down, or remove it. So now with those two contacts added, let's check out if it worked. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe to hit Emergency at the bottom left corner, I can hold this icon and drag it to the right. And now I can see that my contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!